Hello, so we are now on Ambergris Caye in Belize at the Cocotal Inn, which is in the north part of the island, a little bit out of the way out of the actual centre of San Pedro, which is perfect because San Pedro is very busy, quite noisy, and we're at the Cocotal Inn, which is further up the island. So very lovely. So I thought I've really got to do a review of this because the accommodation is spectacular, reasonably priced as well, which was good. We knew that Belize was going to be a little bit over our budget, but we found some still very beautiful, good quality, lovely accommodation. And the last place we were at on Caye Caulker was amazing, which was the La Isla Resort. Highly recommend that. Didn't do a review, but yeah, it was really spectacular again. And we had an apartment with a kitchen in that one, and we've got a kitchen in this too, so very nice. So I want to spin it around and show you around. And yeah, so that's the main house up there, and you've got these lovely little huts, and this is our lovely little hut, C2. You've got little green ones over here, and here we are in C2. Our little balcony. Whoa, that door's not sprung loaded like the other one. Thank you, darling. So I might just make it bigger so you can see the full thing. So you've got lovely kitchen, table for us to eat at. Oh, lovely big king size bed. Very nice beach towel display on there. Full wardrobes, the lot. The roof is very pretty. Really nice fans, got aircon. Nice garden view out the window. And full kitchen with everything that you could possibly want, including kettle. Oh, the kettle's moved. That's over on the stove. Blender, brilliant. Coffee maker, toaster, everything you want. And then here's the lovely bathroom as well. Very nice display of the beach towels and a nice shower. Oh yeah, look at that. Love that. Wicked. Separate loo, which is always nice. Although actually, no, it hasn't got its own door, but it's got a lovely little space. You can put your things up there as well. So there's plenty of space to put your stuff, which is really nice for a bathroom because they don't all have that. Sometimes you're fighting for a little bit of shelf just to put your toothbrush on. And here you get free water. So they give you these 5-gallon water containers as well. Fully equipped. Very nice. Very nice. Very cottagey. Lovely view out the garden. And you get free, so they give you free kayaking, free bicycles. Down past the house is the swimming pool. And yeah, so very nice. Enjoying this. I think we're going to love this. And we're here for a week. So, and they take you to the supermarket when they pick you up from the ferry. The boat taxi, they take you to the supermarket so you can load up your fridge with all your stuff. And we've also hired a golf cart because getting around on a golf cart is very useful around here. And cool. So yeah, highly recommend this. Lovely. Enjoy, everybody.